How to restore deleted contacts from your Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually recover and restore the deleted contacts from your Android phone. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now let's say that you went ahead and then opened up a contacts application. You happen to delete a certain contact by mistake. So just go ahead and let me just show you by deleting one of these contacts over here. Let's say I deleted one of the contacts by mistake and accidentally. Now on Android phone, and most of these Android phone these days, you have the ability to restore it by default. So you don't have to download any third-party apps, because when you delete a contact, they're moved to the recycle bin folder. So every app such as Gallery or MX Player or your videos or your contacts app actually has a dedicated recycle bin. You just need to locate that recycle bin. For example, in my case, if I tap on the three dots on the top right corner, you can see all this type of options. Now to find the recycle bin, I'll just tap on the three horizontal lines and you'll find this button which says recycle bin. When I go to recycle bin, you can see the contact which I actually just deleted. So this is basically, you can see any contacts you delete will stay in the recycle bin for 30 days before they are deleted forever. So in my case, I have the ability to restore it by default. All you have to do is to simply long press on it and then simply go ahead and then restore them. So just go ahead and select this option over here and tap on the restore or delete option. Just go ahead and select restore, and just like that you'll be able to restore your deleted contact. And you can repeat this for any of the other processes as well, because this is simply how it's actually working. You have to simply go ahead and look at the recycle bin. And this is how you can actually recover and restore your deleted contacts on Android. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.